Hello, this is Timmy Miner for the second week of weather observations. Last week I had set up my weather station at the bottom of UAF, which was at the bottom of the hill that overlooks Fairbanks. But some of my instruments had been tampered with, so I moved my station closer to my home for the rest of the semester. I am now closer to the Tanana Valley, or I'm in the Tanana Valley, and I'm closer to the river, but otherwise, everything else is generally the same. Alright, so I started taking my observations on the 26th around noon, and this week was a pretty cold snap. We had a lot of cold air, which trapped a lot of fumes in the atmosphere, which I'm sure the people local to Fairbanks noticed. Around my house, I think it was warmer than the rest, but I was down into the valley. On the 27th, I hit -34, and on the 29th, it started to get warmer again. I changed my time in the middle of the week, which you can see with this graph. The first 2 days, I took my temperatures at noon, and then I started taking it at 2 when the climate was, it was a little bit warmer, so it started going along with the higher temperatures. Over the week, my barometric pressure increased, which is probably correlated to the weather. Throughout the week, there was no wind at my station, and the clouds or plumes that I saw weren't really moving, they were just going straight up. I am surrounded by trees in this area, which block the view of the mountains, so I have low visibility. If there were clouds that I saw, which were, I think, on day 1 and day 2, they were altostratus, they were very high, wispy, and there weren't a lot of them. Otherwise, the sky was pretty much clear the entire week. There was ice fog that started forming in the lower part of the valley. When I would drive around Fairbanks, it was especially apparent in the southwest part of Fairbanks.